Alright, guys, welcome back to another episode of LSPDFR Kwey in these streets. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Please like, share, subscribe. Watch the entire video for me, man. I definitely appreciate it. Alright, man, we're gonna be starting out here in Sandy Shores office, which is out in the county today. So this episode gonna be dedicated to the county patrolling and just seeing what's going on out here in these country, little small towns, man. Alright, Sandy Shore is definitely one of them. It's a small knit community, man, but drugs definitely has played a role out here. So, alright, man, we are expecting a little bit of bad weather now. I don't know if it'll get it or not, but without further ado, man, let's get into these streets. We'll let dispatch know we ready to roll. One Lincoln 18, show me 10-8.
Acknowledged. 1 Lincoln 18. Proceed to patrol area.
Will do. Alright, so we'll head out this way. Take a quick look around, man. Just see what's going on around here. Alright, one of the biggest headaches in town is this abandoned motel right here. It's definitely a major headache for local law enforcement. And it just became a drug haven for, your local.
Officers report a 148 in Grande Sonora Desert.
It became a drug haven for your local homeless people like this guy right here. No matter how much you run them off, man, they come right back. Alright, so it's definitely no trespassing, man. I'm pretty sure there's somebody else up there with him. They come up in here, man, they do their drugs, even perform drug buys over here. You'll catch them in these breezeways, hanging out. Alright, so I don't know like nobody in this one. Alright, so alright, man, we just got paid, okay, not much, but everything counts. Alright, man, so
We have a disturbance in Grande Sonora Desert.
alright, I'm gonna pick that up. It is a hit we got for a warrant, so let's see if we can locate these people. Alright, so it look like they on the move up ahead. Oh, they actually coming our way, so let's wait on them, let's wait on them. Even better, man, they getting it too. Alright, so hurry up and jump behind them, man, they moving, boy. The automatic gonna run from me? Alright, so, oh my god, what are they doing? Alright, they ain't stopping for me. Oh, smokes. Maybe again they are, I don't know. I don't know what they got going on. Alright, so I'm definitely gonna get some bag up out on here on these people, man. I'm not sure why. The people right now. Alright, look like we got one individual in the vehicle. One Lincoln 18, requested code to back up on Madrina Drive.
Assistance required in Grande Sonora Desert.
Alright, so
Acknowledged. On our way.
the person in the vehicle should have a warrant out for their arrest. I'm not gonna take any chances, man. These people will shoot at you in a minute. Driver, let me see your hand. Step out the vehicle. Step out the vehicle, sir. You better get on the ground. You better get on the ground. That's what I thought. I ain't think you wanna do that. Hold on, my man. Come on, bro. Hold up, bro. Bro, what's up? Alright, bro. Bro, like, what the heck is he doing, man? He trying to kill my man. Bro, get on the ground for this man kill you, bro. Like, you want to get shocked from this time the man just pumped you? Alright, so we got this guy in
Attention all
custody,
units.
man.
Suspect is 1015 in the Alamo Sea. Code 4.
Alright, so let me just get him searched. Get him out the street here. Alright, my man, what's going on? You got a warrant for your arrest, alright? Take it easy. Alright, Emmett Williams. Oh man, it might not be our guy with the warrant. Let me just run his name and see. It might be him. Alright, Mr. Williams, settle down, man. Once we get everything situated. Alright? You got brought out like that, man, because you got a warrant out for your arrest, right? This ain't tight. Let me make sure this is him. Excuse me. Alright, it is, excuse me. It is him. Alright, so appreciate you bagging me up, man. You know, I don't like I don't take these calls without no bag up way out here, man. Alright, so let me search his truck and see what he may or may not have. Maybe had something, I don't know. The way he was hard telling it, man. Alright, so there go a firearm right there. That's actually a high caliber rifle. Alright, so Mr. Williams, is that your weapon in the vehicle, sir? You got to speak to me? Alright, the choice is yours, man. Alright, so let me just check the weapon. Let's see what it's gonna give us on it. Alright, so the weapon belongs to a Samantha Gomez, which is definitely not him. Let me just get a quick plate check, man. See who the vehicle belongs to.
Target vehicle license plate 40 Tom Frank Edward Niners 17. Target is 10-4.
Alright, so this must be his girlfriend or something. Alright, the gun is registered to the registered owner of this vehicle. Alright, so this guy, exactly why I brought him out the way I did. Look at it, they got an assault on the law enforcement officer. They got a warrant out for conspiracy to commit murder. He has no business with no assault rifle on him, so we're gonna make sure we hook him up pretty good. So he already out on bond. We're gonna get him for illegal possession of automatic weapon. And let's see. Where's that? I'm gonna say unlawful possession of a firearm also. So we're gonna definitely hook him up, man. Alright, so with those charges added, man, maybe that'll keep this guy behind bars. Alright, we're gonna get Mr. Williams transported. Alright, Mr. Williams. You're gonna be charged today, sir. Alright? You got 2 felony charges coming your way. The warrant that they have out for you is for conspiracy to commit murder, sir. Alright? You already out on bond, so you know the drill. Alright, man, I'm gonna see if I can get Chuck to transport for me. Hey, man, you wanna go ahead and take him in, bro?
Assistance required in Grande Sonora Desert.
Alright, so Chuck gonna take him in for us, man. I'm gonna take care of his truck. Get out of here, man.
Flatbed. Assistance required in Grande Sonora Desert.
Alright, so we basically got a call for this guy. When I came up on him, he was flying, man. Almost like he was running from me at first, but he ended up stopping. Alright, so we out, man. The truck's been picked up. He's being transported. We'll head back over there by the motel. One Lincoln 18, show me 10-8. Alright, let's get back available for calls.
Copy that. 1 Lincoln 18. Proceed with patrol.
They didn't use no turn signal just now. Let me get a plate check on this vehicle.
Target vehicle license plate 45 Mary Henry William 611. Target is 10-4.
Alright, they used one then. I think they ran behind them. Now they use them now, but too late.
We've got an 11351 in Grande Sonora Desert.
Alright, so that they say about the bill, bro. So we got a suspicious pullover by a 911 call up being pulled over by a non-uniformed officer. So we're gonna head over there just to make sure everything's legit. Definitely don't want nobody getting pulled over by somebody who is not in law enforcement, so definitely gonna check this out real quick. Alright, here they are right here. Oh man, we got that freaking... Alright, this must be the guy right here in this freaking car right here, man. Let me get him stop. Oh, he's taking off on me, dude. Oh, snap! Stay in the car, dude. Alright, we got one running, man. We got one
Target
running.
heading west on foot in Grande Sonora
Your ass
Desert.
on the ground, dude. Alright, man. So, he obviously want to get tased today. No problemo. Alright, man. Get your ass on the freaking ground, dude. Get on the ground, man. Not finna be chasing you motherfuckers, man. You understand? Stay on the ground, dude. You gonna get it again. That what you want, man? Get on the freaking ground, dude.
Don't shoot me now.
Okay, get your ass on the ground then, man. Alright, don't you fucking move, dude. Alright, stand up,
All
man.
units, 1015, suspect in custody in Grande Sonora Desert. All units, return to patrol.
Alright, man. You out here playing cops and robbers or something, dude? What's up with you, man? Alright, let's walk them back over here by this vehicle. What kind of car is that, man? Alright, so he in some type of security car. You a security guard, dude? Alright, let me get him to kneel down right here. Kneel down for me, sir. Well, on second thought, go ahead and get up. Did I pat you down or what, man? I pat you down, bro? Alright, let me pat him down, man. Oh, man. Like some kind of mob boss or some shit, bro. What you doing, man? Alright, man. Oh, man, you got kid, plastic badge, a loaded pistol. Alright, so the gun is real. Badge is definitely fake, man. Where you you got going on, man? Let me talk to this guy, man. What the heck you got going on, bro? What are you doing, man? Yeah, you do, but you could tell me what's going on, man. Alright, you around here stopping people and shit, acting like you the freaking cops in the freaking patrol security car, man. You thought they weren't gonna call the cops on you? That what you thought? Alright, man. Alright, let me search this vehicle, man. I need to get this thing out the middle of the road. Alright, let me let them go by, man. They don't give a crap on over here, bro. Matter of fact, let me bring my freaking vehicle. Don't you move, dude. Let me bring my freaking vehicle over here, man. Make sure they understand where I'm at. Man, those lights are sweet, bro. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna make sure he ain't got nothing else in the car. He might got some more weapons in the vehicle, so let's check it out. Alright, so he got a police radio scanner and cuff, so it's definitely official, man. This guy's out here playing freaking RoboCop or some shit, man. We're gonna get his car taken clear of.
Flatbed. Assistance required on Route 68.
Get it impounded. Alright, so this guy gonna be going to jail for impersonating a police officer, man. Alright, then he tried to flee on me. Oh wait, we didn't check his weapon, did we? Oh, we didn't. Let's check that. Alright, so they just picked up the vehicle. Jeffrey Class, I'm guessing. Alright, man, did I run his name? Let me see what his name is. Alright, that's gonna be him. It's gonna be registered to him. Alright, so it's definitely gonna be taken from him, man. Not sure what Jeffrey would think of the day, but Jeffrey going to jail. Alright, so impersonating an officer. Sure, we're gonna get him with this one also. So, man, what was that at? I just gotta find it. Isn't that something? Alright, we definitely gonna need a little session. We gotta find something. I can't remember where it's actually at, so. Alright, we're gonna definitely get him charged for impersonating a police officer, man. We're gonna definitely get him for trying to flee, obstruction, inner investigation, resisting arrest, no, without violence. Oh, here we go. Alright, impersonating a police officer. So this, alright, so this guy, is facing several charges, man. He in big time trouble. 38 years old, man. He look like he's about 58, bro. Alright, so this guy facing, man, a whole lot of time, man. We'll definitely update on the court date to see how much time he received for those charges. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and get him transported. One Lincoln 18 requesting transport. Alright, man, we don't want no wild animal coming up right now attacking us, so no, I don't need that, man. I need a freaking transport, bro. Alright, so no wild animals.
Assistance required in Grande Sonora Desert.
The wild animals will attack you, bro. They will kill you. Alright, so we'll wait for transport. Alright, that's our prison over there if you didn't know. That's the state prison out there. Hey, hey, appreciate you coming out. Alright, so she gonna get this guy taken care of for me. I can go ahead and jump back out here on patrol. 1 Lincoln 18, show me 10-8. Let's see what else we can get into.
Roger that. 1 Lincoln 18. Proceed with patrol.
Alright, man, what's looking like we're supposed to be having some bad weather? I guess not. Make this U-turn. Alright, so. That's airstrip out here in the county, man. That's what I asked to come out here and do a lot of tests flying and stuff. We put them back up to Sandy Shores, man. This is that motel in the daytime, man. Definitely an eyesore. Let's ride up through there. We got plenty of stray cats, I see. Alright, they love to hang out down here. Alright, look like we got a fog advisory rolling in. Alright, so like I said, it's no trespassing over here, man. It's hard to keep these people out. Sure enough, the fog is rolling in, man. Alright, so let's ride around here with this see what's going on. in there. What the hell, bro? Oh, man. Alright, so it look like we got the tornado touchdown, bro, out of freaking nowhere. Oh, man. Alright, so we definitely have a tornado on the ground, guys. So not much I can do, but come on, blue lady. I don't want to think I'm stopping them. Come on, blue. Alright, I don't know what that guy's doing, but he's finna go for a ride if he rides in that thing. Oh, so he wasn't moving, okay. Alright, let's wanted to wait it out, guys. Yeah, they need to go on out that way. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get off the streets myself, bro. I don't want to end up wrapped up in this thing. Holy shit. Alright, man, I'm gonna try and get off the streets, man. Alright, so this thing is freaking on the ground, man. Not much I can do. This is crazy, man. Alright, so Sandy Shores is actually being hit by a freaking tornado, man. Holy smokes. Oh, wow. I mean, oh, man, did my freaking door open? Alright, man, I just see the car go flying across the road, man. At this point, I'm not sure where is it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Did they just drop a nuke on our ass or something? What the fuck, bro? Oh my guys are gone. He may be gone. Oh no, no it's not. Shit. Alright guys, so this thing is wreaking havoc through Sandy Shores right now, man. Get out of here. Get out of here, lady. it's probably a lot to get processed, man, after this crazy freak storm just came through, man. Alright, man, so I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Thanks for watching, man. Definitely appreciate you guys liking, sharing, subscribing. Also, man, if you watch the full video, I appreciate it. Much love. Till next time, man. I'm Kwey in these streets. Much more content to come, man. I appreciate y'all.
You know it.
Peace out.